Right, here we go, folks. I've got re-audio this if I can. Listen to the crappy sound because absolutely can't bear to listen to it. Let me see if I can listen to the crappy sound and record it as you hear now. Here we go. How you doing, folks, and welcome back to Mike's Chat. Today we got back into motu origins. We got some really good deals. Went to Tkmax and we got just a pucker bargain of the days. We got Stridor and Panthor, but let's have a look straight after this. Anyway, folks, welcome back. Basically, we got Stridor and Panthor. So Panthor, motu origins, absolute wicked, box art, blinding, can't knock it. Cut little hidden dragons there. I don't know where they come from. On the back of it we got one pack of Fisto hidden there, which is a little hidden monster there on the side. Panthor, absolute wicked in the back box. Tkmax, cost me £12 for Panthor. Absolute blinding deal. What a good deal that was in Tkmax. 12 quid. 12 quid, I can't believe it. Tkmax. I love the card art on this. Wicked card art, like facing He-Man. Got Castle Grayskull in the background. Skeletor and Panthor having a little fight. That was the lines that was coming out at the time. We had Battle Armor, He-Man, She-Ra, Roboto, Battle Armor, Skeletor, Merman. But yeah, 12 quid. What a steal that was. That was a bargain of the day. All of it is a bargain of the day. But let's have a little look what else we got. We had, like you can see, Stridor. Absolute wicked card art. Absolute blind. I just can't knock that. It's just really, really good. We had Screech, which has come out with we had Sorceress, Buzz Off, Stratos, Jitsu, Terracor, Skeletor, Stridor, like you see, and we had He-Man now. It's like a robotic horse. Stands on a stand there. You can, the way it places down, he's got his helmet and stuff. How much did I pay for that? £13. Tkmax again. Absolute what a steal that was. 13 quid. Wicked. I'm going to keep it in the box because it's going to be worth a little bit money later on in the future. So it's worth keeping in the box because the horse and the stand and that it's just really good. How can you get something for like 13 quid? Blinding. And next we have Sunman. I already had Sunman, but I was like, I thought I'll pick this up again. Rulers of the Sun. We had wicked card art again. Got Pighead, which has just come out or came out now. Skeletor there. You had Sunman, a Horde Trooper, anti-internal He-Man, Clawful, Skeletor, and He-Man. You got a few bits where you can attach to his neck and like a spear or a staff, and his shield holding it like a spear. Tkmax I got for £6. £6 for a Sunman. What a steal that was. So yeah, I got some bargains. £12 for Stridor, £6 for Sunman, and Panthor we got £12 for Panthor. What a deal that was. That was like a bargain of the day. I was like, couldn't believe it. So what, 25, nearly £30 for all of that. That was just a wicked bargain of the day in Tkmax. You got to look around to see what you get, and you never know, you might come with a bargain where you find. So anyway, I was pleased with that. I was happy. Anyway, let's see you next week for more videos from Mike's Chat, but see this video straight after this. Thanks. Many ways you can follow me on social media: Instagram, Mike's Chat, Facebook group, even subscribe to this page, even click that notification bell for the next video content coming up, or go to the about, email me if you've got anything to give away. Thanks very much and see you next time.